Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically have your song lyrics or captions, in different colors on CapCut PC. So I have already generated a caption here. If you don't know how to do that, just select a video with a person talking or with a song and select text and either select auto captions or auto lyrics and then select create. Just choose the language first. So to do that, you are going to basically select the text right here. And then if you want to have different colors, I'm just going to select this bubble first so that I can change the color later. Once you have selected the kind of style you want, maybe you want it the same for everything, I'm just going to put it the same for everything first so that I can just change the color later. Like here, I'm just going to adjust the width and the height. And then, for instance, I want to change the color. I'm just going to go to the text lining bubbles and I'm just going to tick it. So it's disabled. And then when I go to another text, I can just simply select a different color like here. And then I can change it on another text as well, like so. So it's in different colors. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.